Hi! In front of me is OPPO A17 and today I would like to show you how you can use App Cloner on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll all the way down and choose Apps. Then click on App Cloner over here and choose one of those apps that you wish to clone. I will go with Snapchat. Following that, click on this switcher next to Create App Clone and wait. Now you can click on When using quick functions, select one of those options, tap on Rename your app clone and type in whatever you wish to. I will go with Snapchat 2. You can save your changes by tapping on Save. So now when I go back and try to access Snapchat app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. In order to delete your app, you can go back into the same settings and tap on the same now green switcher. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!